So the next term that I want to teach people is click-through rate, or CTR. And this term comes up when you're talking about search results, Amazon advertising, when you're emailing links around, social media links, website thumbnails, and also these detail page view carousels that appear on many detail pages. If you scroll down, you'll see other people's books there. And basically, CTR measures how many people are actually clicking on one of these little thumbnails or one of these little blurbs in search results or the carousel or something like that. And for instance, on an Amazon search page, the results, each different result will have a different click-through rate depending on various factors. For instance, the one on the top here has the highest click-through rate because it has 226 reviews. Or maybe it's something that people are looking for. They're looking for an Excel book rather than a Word book. And then conversely, on this particular blurb for this other book, it doesn't have many good reviews. And that may be a reason why the click-through rate is pretty low. So Dr. Amazon again, these are search results for Cozy Romance on the Amazon mobile app. And I would like to point to the last book in the results here. And I believe that this probably had a low click-through rate for many reasons. And here are some of the potential reasons up here. There's a problem with the title, the thumbnail, the price, or the review summary score. So for this particular one, you can see there are only 9 reviews compared to 278, 902, or nearly 2,000 reviews. So that's something that will impact the click-through rate. The other thing is that there may be a mismatch between the search terms and the book or the product shown. And as I was looking through these reviews, I was thinking that actually for Cozy Romance, this particular title looks like it's kind of a YA type of thing. So maybe that's another reason why some people won't click on it, because assuming that maybe the people who are searching for this, maybe they're adults, they're not so interested in a YA type of book. And then also, as I indicated before, sometimes the competing books or the products look better, so they will have a higher click-through rate. Now, there are various ways to measure things like conversion rate and click-through rate. For most publishers, the best way to get this data is through Amazon advertising. Amazon advertising will actually give you very detailed rates, click-through rates right off the bat, and conversion rate, you can calculate it on your own. If you have an Amazon Seller Central account, that's another way to get this data, although for conversion rate, they use a different term. It's session percentage. And then also if you're using other platforms like Twitter Analytics or Google Analytics, Shopify or Facebook ads, they provide this information to you as well. That wasn't so hard, was it? There are many more videos in the totally free Amazon Masterclass. They're totally free. You don't have to pay anything. There's no gimmick or anything like that. So watch them at your leisure, skip around, and also be sure to like it if it helps you out. Thank you so much for watching.